video, I'm going to show you how to use the eraser tools. Now, sometimes you don't want to select the eraser, you just want to leave it on the pen, and that's fine. You would just lay your hand flat on the panel, and that creates an eraser. Okay, now I am going to select the eraser tool. I can change the thickness of the eraser here. Okay, this is what I'm just on as an eraser. Again, lay your hand flat and go over any writing. The next one is a strike through. So if I were to strike through something, it's going to erase it. Okay. This last one is to erase all stroke marks. So I'm going to click clear. And so now anything that's a stroke mark is gone. You'll notice that the shapes still remain because those aren't stroke marks. If I go back to the eraser, I can clear the entire page by clicking on the page with the delete and clicking clear. So now I have a clean